This is the creation of a suona, a traditional wind instrument with a voice loud enough to pierce the heavens. The artisan begins by isolating a flawless section of dense hardwood. To hollow the core, he doesn't just drill, he relies on a centuries-old technique, fire. By burning the center with hot embers and driving glowing iron through the shaft, he bores out the wood while simultaneously carbonizing the inner walls to create perfect, lasting acoustics. After hand-carving the tonal holes and polishing the body with dry grass, the wood requires protection. It is submerged in a deep bath of natural plant lacquer. This patient soak seals the pores, preventing future cracking and giving the wood its rich, resonant shine. But the wood is only half the instrument. The artisan hand cuts a sheet of raw brass, painstakingly hammering it over an anvil into a flared bell. Using pinpoint heat, he solders the seam flawlessly. This heavy metal cone acts as a massive amplifier, taking the vibration from the wood and projecting it outward. Every decorative ring and fitting is filed and stamped by hand. Finally, the intricate mouthpiece and reed are secured into the brass core. When human breath finally meets the ancient wood and metal, the result is a bold, unmistakable sound, a masterclass in acoustic engineering.